Hermosa de YouTube, and welcome to my channel. My name is Faith, and today I'm bringing to you an unboxing of my last bag, or my last bag purchase of 2020. So this is the box right here. I actually purchased this from Coach, and this is actually the Coach Parker. I believe just the regular size. I actually got it in the style number, let me see, the style number 75575, which is like the one that's like all black. So the hardware is all black and the leather is all black. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll give you all some details about the bag. Let me have a sip. I'm gonna open it this way. I already cut the tape, but so as you see, it comes in a box like this. This is what typically the boxing looks like when you get from Coach. And on top, it just has this little card and has words on it. And it says, "Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941, which is true because they always deliver great bags. All their bags are great. I can't. Okay, and if you have any questions, we love to hear from you at customer care, Coach, da 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 da." Okay, that's what that says. And okay, so they already put the bag in they put the bag in the dust bag. This is what that is. Let's see. And then this, I believe, is my receipt. Yep, this is my receipt. All right, so let's get into the bag herself. I'm gonna, well, you all get to see anyway. Ta-da! This is what she looks like. Like I told you, I got it in the all black, so it's it says V5 black. I guess that would be the official name of it. So I'm going to take all this stuff off of it. Okay, so this is what she looks like with all of the wrapping and paper off of it. As you see, it's all black. I guess, well, technically the metal is considered gunmetal, I believe. And it just looks like this. Now, before I actually show you the inside and stuff, I'm gonna give you some more details. I had to write it down on a piece of paper because I don't know this stuff by heart. So, like I said, this is the style number 75575, and it's polished pebble leather with smooth leather detailing. It has a turn lock closure in its fabric lining, and then the handles convert to a shoulder strap with a 20-inch drop. It is 10 1/4 inches lengthwise. Then it's 7 inches in height, and then 4 1/4 inches in width. So this is, like I said, how she looks. What really drew me to this bag, for one, is the straps and the metal itself, the color of the metal. Because I actually have a Coach Klare bag from the outlet, and it kind of has like this conversion. Well, it doesn't kind of, it actually does have this conversion of the strap where you can, you know, have it as a crossbody, or, you know, wear it as a shoulder bag. And it's very tiny, but the metal on that one is gold. And when I see this bag just looks so much more sleek to me, and I'm kind of finding myself wanting to go into more purposeful bags, I guess you would say, or just bags, I don't want to say with meaning, but bags that are like more mature, or I don't know, that are kind of sleek. I don't know. So yeah, this is the outside. This is the back pocket on the outside, and it's like you can barely open it, but all right. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. So we have a pocket on the front, like that, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a compartment right here, in an apartment right here. Sorry, that's an apartment. Okay, compartment right here, and then a compartment right here, and then we have a zip middle compartment right here, and then there's a pocket in the back, like that. You open it in the middle. Oh, I got paper still in here. And then yeah, like that. So it just looks like this, completely in the middle, everything open. This bag is really cute. I definitely feel like this is worth the purchase and the investment. It kind of reminds me, I've never had a Chanel bag, but it kind of reminds me of the classic flap bag, but with such a much more affordable price tag on it. And this is what it looks like on the side. Just have this very deep, I don't even know what to call this. I want to call it a rivet, but it's not a rivet. Indentation, I guess, like that. This actually, I have another bag by Coach that kind of has this indentation on the side. I want to grab my Klare bag so you can see what I was talking about. Okay, so this is the Coach Klare bag in the quilted linear, and this is how this one was. It kind of has the same kind of concept as the Parker, so I don't know what else I'm gonna call it, as the Parker, where the strap converts, and then you also could wear it as a shoulder bag, but as you see, it's like gold or whatever. So you see how small this one is? This one really reminds me of like a dinner purse or a special events, or I don't know. But when I seen, you know, the Parker, I was just like, wow, that bag is so elegant. And it just looks like the kind of style I'm trying to go more into. And yeah, so this one just has like two compartments and then the zipper right here as well. And it has like an accordion style. That's just the difference of the two. Okay, y'all, so that is all I have on the Coach Parker. I also just want to say that I've been buying a lot of bags throughout this entire time, ever since C Rona came around, and like I've been trying to stop buying things. Shopping online has really become like a coping mechanism for me because I'm at home a lot, like literally every single day. I really don't do anything unless it's like going to a park or going to the grocery store and just like things like that nature. And I've been wanting like excitement. So that's why like I've been buying things online so I have something to look forward to in the mail. And yeah, I gotta stop. We're being honest, that's not good. It's very detrimental. It can be detrimental to your pockets, regardless of what job you have or the income you have coming in. I need to be saving that money or using it towards something more important. I have a lot of bags, okay? So I don't need any more, which is why this is gonna be my last bag of 2020. And I'm gonna try, like I said, I am trying to go more towards like, I don't want to say elegant, but kind of like, I don't know. I guess because I turned 21, I just feel like I have to be more an adult or whatever. Ew, I hate saying that. Anyway, I kind of want to move towards like an elegance kind of, I don't know. But I want my purses to be more of, I don't want to say substance, but more, I don't know. It's weird to say substance or purpose for a bag, but I guess that I want it to be more classy, more, I don't know. I mean, I like my bags to be where I can wear them dressed up or dressed down, but I just want them to also still have an elegant look to them. So I think I've gotten all the bags I can for this entire year that can fit that category, and I don't need to add any more to them, at least not for the rest of this year. So in the future, if any future videos that you all see pertaining like bags that I have or bags that I already have. I said that, I don't know why I said it like that. Any videos that you see coming up about any new bags that you all are new to you, they're bags that I already have. So yeah. Also, I tried to straighten my hair, okay? And this, okay, I braided it, but this is what happens when you try to straighten your hair and you're not a professional. And I haven't straightened my hair in years, so it's straightened. It looks blow dried, but I tried. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and sorry for that little rant, but thank you for listening, and I hope to see you all in the next video, and I pray everyone is doing well, and I'm sorry for saying "and" so much, but love you all. Bye.